You got it bouncing off that tree right there.
What's going on, honey?
It's hailing. Look, over there.
Go get a piece of hail. Show me
No,
what.
look. You can see it on the deck better.
You can't really see it here.
You see it on the deck right
On
there.
the deck? Oh my God, look at that.
Look in the plant right there.
Oh my God, look at the plant. It's covered in hail. Crazy madness. You should have brought the plants inside.
No, they'll be alright.
Get some in your hand. I can show it on the camera.
That's okay. No, look up and show this. Look.
And the sun is shining.
Sorta. I mean, there's a black cloud right above.
There's the cloud. It's hailing like crazy. Can you see it? It's madness. Wow, it's done. That was amazing.